Alright then, so now it's time to put our pictures onto our website. Before we do, a couple of things I just wanted to point out. If we have a look at this Instagram art, the file type, it's a PNG file. Now PNG is short for Portable Networks Graphics. The news banner is a JPEG file, and that's Joint Picture Experts Group. This is important to remember because when we try to write our code to display the image, we can't just put news banner. We have to put the file extension, which will be .jpg for the news banner and .png for the Instagram art. So sometimes you put a picture in the code and you look at it on your website and it doesn't show up. More often than not, that's the reason why. Okay. Other reasons are you misspelt the file name itself, and that happens quite a bit, which is one of the reasons why we changed the file name, so it was a little bit easier to remember and easier to spell. Alright, so let's take a look. I'm going to close that one down. Now we're going to put a banner across the top of the screen, and then under the heading I'm going to put the Instagram picture that we found. Let's see how that's done. So top of our page, which will be above the heading, we put our image HTML. That's image source equals, and a couple of speech marks, and we need to put the name. So let's just move this out of the way so we can see. It is news banner dot, check we get the right one, JPG. Okay, now we just need to put some alt text, so alt equals, speech marks again, news banner, and then I'm going to close the tag, and that's it. Okay, now what we need to remember is that images aren't technically inserted into a web page. We actually link to where the image is, and it just displays it on the screen for us where we put the image tag. Let's save this. Let's go back to our website. Let's refresh. And there it is. Hey. Let's put the other picture in and see what happens. So under the heading, so go here, and under the heading, image source equals, and I'm just going to put alt equals, close my bracket. So that's my image syntax, and this one was called Instagram art. Now let's just put in JPG, because then you'll be able to see what happens, and hopefully the alt text will work as well. Let's have a look. Instagram artwork. Now I could, if I remembered, I could put by, and I could say who actually produced it. That'd be quite nice. It'd be a nice way of saying this is the person that created it. Anyway, let's save this. Let's refresh. Okay, so it hasn't shown the image. We've got an image icon and it's broken. So it's saying there's something wrong with this image, but it has shown the alt text. So I know what should be there. So we know why it didn't work, because I put JPEG and it should be PNG. So let's just change that extension. PNG. Let's just save that again. Go back and refresh. And there we go. There's our Instagram art. Now I know what you're thinking. The sizes, they're a little bit big. In a future video, I'm going to show you how to control the size of your image. For now, try and get some of your pictures into your website.